So hi guys, welcome to our today's episode. So I am Lohith and I am going to talk about the artificial intelligence and machine learning.
Myself, Likhith, my topic is cloud computing. So, Lohit, in simple terms, what is artificial intelligence and how it is different from traditional programming?
So in traditional programming, the developer writes the code explicitly, whereas in AI, it has completely changed. Instead of writing the code manually, like AI and ML automates the process to increase the user experience and to make the code coding easy.
Then what is machine learning and can you give everyday example?
So machine learning is a branch of AI in which patterns from the data is analyzed to make the predictions and to make the decisions. If you take everyday example, like take an example of a recommendation system where you use in the Netflix or prediction system where you use to predict the data and all that.
So many types are different in machine learning. Explain about supervised and unsupervised.
So in supervised learning, we use the labeled data to analyze the input and output pairs, whereas in unsupervised learning, we use the unlabeled data and the model finds the hidden patterns in it and it is used to train the data.
What is data set and why data quality is so important for AI?
So dataset plays an important role in AI, where it is used for the training of the models and to make the decisions and predictions. So it's an important term in machine learning.
What is neural network?
Neural network is a computational model made up of several layers of interconnected nodes, such as it's inspired by the human neurons. It will work in the same pattern as the humans, and it is it's used for the in machine learning for the analyzing the data.
What does it mean in train model and what happened during the process?
So in during the training process, if you want to train a model, if you first you will take the data set and you will feed the data into the ML model and train it approximately up to 80% accuracy and all that stuff. And after training the data, the model will use the trained data for the prediction of the input the user provides. So, Likhith, coming to cloud computing, can you explain it in simple terms? What is cloud computing?
Cloud computing means using someone else's computer over the internet instead of your own, and instead of buying and maintaining a physical server, you rent computing power storage software from provider like Amazon, Google, or Microsoft.
So, yeah, why do companies move to cloud? What's your appeal on that?
In a big reasons, first cost, then you don't need to buy expensive hardware upfront. The second, flexibility, you can scale coincident of demand spikes and scale back down when it drops. Third, reliability, big cloud provider have multiple data centers, so if them goes down.
Yeah. So, why big cloud providers are better than others? Take an example of AWS or GCP. Like, uh,
Amazon Web Series and Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud Platform. Amazon is the oldest and is the most services, and Azure is a very strong in the Microsoft Enterprise, and Google Cloud is excellent for data and AI workloads.
so yeah, what is server? How does the server differ from the physical one? In terms of cloud.
A server is a computer that runs programming and responding to request, serving up to web pages when someone visits your web page. A physical server, it sets in data center and your own.
So, what storage in cloud? What does that actually mean? If I upload my files to the cloud, where does it go?
When you are store something in the cloud, uploading photos, videos, and it goes to the data center, and which is large building full of server managed by provider. Your file gets stored redundantly and meaning multiple copies exist in different locations, so it's never lost.
Yeah, like uh, You heard of term scalability, right? What does that mean in cloud? Can you explain it for a beginner?
Scalability means your system can handle more load when needed. Imagine your app suddenly goes viral without the cloud. Your server would crash, and under the traffic with the cloud, you can automatically spin on more services and available within minutes to handle the load.
So that's for the today's podcast, guys. I hope you like the info about the artificial intelligence and machine learning, and Likhith provided the insights about the cloud computing. So thank you.